Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today with the gap down here on the news, and definitely some updates here need to be made. So first thing I'm going to do is actually a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line there. Sure, the level pertains, just not relevant right now and from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So moving forward, 875 is now going to be that initial area of resistance. So if the price does consolidate out and then attempts to make a movement back to the upside, that's where the big question mark now resides, is not necessarily can the price get back up to 875, but more importantly, can the price get back above it and stay up above it? So that'll be the important area of resistance here in the near term with any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside. So you want to watch that very closely. Now, what about areas of support? Well, the first area of support is just simply where the bleeding stopped today, and that was down there at the $7.50 mark. So $7.50, preferably speaking, is where you're going to want to continue to watch this thing, go sideways. If it does come back down there, I'm not saying it will come down to $7.50, but if it does, then yeah, you'd want to see the price hold above there again. If it does not, though, and the price falls below $7.50, next key area of support after that point would then be down there right around $6.90. So these are definitely going to be the main areas to watch moving forward. But yeah, it's all about that 875 mark. If the price can get back above there, I mean, that doesn't guarantee that it goes back up to the nines or anything like that. But it at least becomes a valid thought to be having that, okay, it's looking like the bulls are starting to get their groove back. The momentum's starting to come back. So keep a close eye on that 875 mark, and let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.